Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can create yourself a Twitter account. Pretty simple. First you want to go to twitter.com. So for that you need to open up a browser, and on your browser you want to search for twitter.com just like this. Once you search for twitter.com, it's going to take you to its website. Now it is going to be called X because Twitter is also known as X. Over here you need to click on create account. Once you click on create account, this thing will open up. Now over here first you need to enter a name for your Twitter account. So I'm going to enter a name called this. This is going to be my Twitter name, and it's going to ask you to enter an email. So enter an email which you have access to, okay? And after you enter an email which you have access to, over here where it says date of birth, choose a date of birth. After you choose a date of birth over here, you want to click on next. And on the next step, it's asking you agree to its terms and service. So just tick mark this and click on next. And then it's asking you, are you sure this is all your information? So double check if this is all your information. And if you're good with it, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, a verification code is going to be sent to your mail to verify if this mail belongs to you. So enter the verification code which is sent on your mail and click on next. And on the next step, it's going to ask you to create a password for your account. After you create a password for your account, your Twitter account will be created. And if you don't receive any code in this step, you can just click on didn't receive code. It's going to give you this option. You can click on resend email, and the code is going to be again sent to you on your email, and you can receive it. So yeah, that's how you guys can create yourself a Twitter account or sign up into Twitter. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.